Quick AI test today. If I give an AI agent 10 minutes and one prompt, build me a pet supply dropshipping lineup, can it actually pick products that would sell? Not just pick products that exist, anybody can do that, but pick products that actually sell. Quick heads up before we go, I'm partnered with Doba on this video. Use them for a lot of my dropshipping needs. Let's get into it. So this is Doba Pilot. It's the AI agent built into Doba's dropshipping platform. I've covered this earlier, the deep dive. It just launched here recently. Today, I'm going to target a different niche and see what happens. So I'm looking at pet supplies today. My kids and I, we just got a dog, so pets are high on my mind right now. So wanting to see what comes up for pet supplies. But 61% of US households own a pet. Most people are willing to spend more money on their pets than they are their children, which maybe that's sad. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Are you a pet person or are you a child person? But honestly, pet supplies is one of the highest possible audience overlaps. It's broader than home office, broader than fitness, broader than kitchen gadgets. Also one of the highest lifetime value categories. Again, pet owners buy the same things over and over again, so there are a lot of repeat sales. In fact, when you're in Doba, they have a whole pets section. So they have like 8 sections, and one of them is pets. And look how many sub-sections there are under pets. So when you click into pets, I mean, there's tons and tons and tons of different pet things. So what we're looking for today is not, can I find products? That's easy. There's tons of products, but we're looking out of the thousands of pet products on this platform, which 10 should I actually include on my store? That's the question I want to answer. So going to give Doba Pilot one prompt here. So starting a pet supply drop shipping store, pick me 10 products from your catalog I should run, strong demand, good margins, reliable shipping. Show me the data behind each pick. Let's go AI, see how we do. I purposely did not give it a lot of direction because again, I want to see what it can come up with. I could give it a margin floor or niche narrowing or something like that, but I just want to see what it comes up with. All right, so it found some picks and then it went through searching for more high margin pet segments. So it found a whole bunch that it thinks will work. Now it's putting them into their top 10 picks. So I really like how it gave me this product info here. So it gives me the products: a dog travel bag, flea and tick prevention for dogs' chewables, a cat tree, cat condo, dog dryer. But it gives me a really nice table with AI insights. So, this one, for example, has high profit, so more markup room. So that's something good that you want to see. Free shipping, that's good. Fast prep, that's something else that we're looking for. So it gives good AI insights. Then it has these demand signals. So if you have all check marks, that's a very good sign. So some of these category pet supplies is a good demand signal. Profit margin of over 15%, that's something that we're looking for. This one does not have a fulfillment rate over 95%. So usually if I'm going to sell something in dropshipping, I want to have a very high fulfillment rate to make sure there's no problems with orders as they come in. But I do like too, it gives me this supplier performance right here on the side along with, how long they've been open. That's important. If somebody's been open for 6 months, that's a little bit, 6 months is not that bad, but sometimes you'll see they've been open for 3 weeks. Maybe I shouldn't sell their product. But some of these Happy Pets open 15 years. Fulfillment rate 100%, refund rate 0%. Those numbers are too good almost. But it's great. This is all here. I don't even have to click into anything. I just get this table here with great data. So you'll notice what's missing from this list. I think this is a good selling list. First off, there's no novelty junk. This is all stuff that I think almost all pet owners would want. Maybe not a dog dryer. I don't know. I just got a dog. Do I need a dog dryer? Suppose I probably have to. I got to start thinking about some of this stuff. Let me know in the comments what I need for a new dog. But there's no cat sunglasses that don't fit any cat. There's no viral TikTok products from 2025 that are saturated now. Pilot is picking boring, durable winners. The products that most pet owners rebuy over and over again. And that is the best way to make money in the pet industry. Of course, we can click into any of these products and we can see the listing. They usually have good photos to go along with them, which is really nice. And we can click into the supplier. So like Home Deal, I want to see a little bit more about them. So a US company, that's good to see. And then here's all the different products that they sell. I can actually message the supplier right from here. If I have any questions, can just click this. It takes me to my Doba dashboard and I can send them a message right from here. AI saves a lot of time here. If I was doing this manually back in the, do we call them the good old days? Pre-AI, I'm not sure. But if I want to start a pet supply store, I just get a dog and I get all passionate about, dog stuff. I want to start a pet supply store. I'm looking for 10 products. That is a lot of research that I have to put in. That would take a very long time going around on Google, finding the products, finding the suppliers. I mean, here, AI can do it in minutes. Actually, it wasn't even minutes. It was seconds. And we find the products and then we can just one button click and list them to our store. And that's truly what makes something an agent rather than just a chat bot. This is not just a chat bot, but I can actually do things with it. Find the products and then I can list them all from here. So who is Doba Pilot for? So I would say it's really great for if you're starting a store from scratch. You're not totally sure what you're looking for. You have no suppliers in mind. You might not even have products in mind. This is a great place to research and get, what's going to sell, what has good supply, and get a lot of ideas straight from here. This is probably not the right tool. If you have an existing dropshipping store for the last 15 years, you know exactly what products you're wanting to sell, then, research like this might not be as helpful for you. I do like with an agent like this, your data is going to be kept up to date because what worked in 2024 is not going to be what works in 2026. But this always has a fresh database so you can, talk with it based on trends that are going on today. So one of my goals is to take probably it's hundreds at this point, hundreds of people who have told me that they're interested in starting drop shipping. It's one of the most frequent requests I get. And again, what I'm looking for is for people to take action and not just keep thinking about it. Like you can only research so much. What you need to do is start taking some action. So again, I'm always looking for these tools that make taking action very easy. It's so easy now. You just type into a chat bot. So I want everybody watching, if you've even considered drop shipping, I want you to, I'll leave a link down below, go type in something and get going on your drop shipping store. Pick a niche for your store. Pick something you're passionate about. Again, I just got a dog, so that made me start looking into dog toys and things like that. Things I've never really looked at before. But, this might be a new passion of mine is like looking at, hey, what are some good products for dogs? But let me know in the comments, what niche would you start for your dropshipping store? If you want more AI tools and things like that, I'm really enjoying AI right now. Please like and subscribe. It's the currency of YouTubers. And check out this free school group we have of helping people turn their AI ideas into AI realities. It's free for now, so go check that out. Thank you very much. Shout out to Doba. Thank you for building great products to help us drop shippers. We really appreciate it. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.